guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to oil your manual sewing machine. As a beginner, it is good to always oil your sewing machine to make it run smoothly and always healthy. So as a beginner, you need to know how to oil your sewing machine, and in this video I'll be doing just that. So guys, please do well to watch till the end of this video. So first of all, I'll be showing you guys places to oil your sewing machine, the places that need oil on your sewing machine. And first of all, here, if you look closely, you see a hole here. You put your oil here. All the holes on your sewing machine needs oil. You oil on all the holes, even on your thread tension. Also here, inside here, you oil it. You also oil here. Here there is your stitch regulator. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know why it's more like it's dark or something. Okay guys, here here there is your stitch regulator. Oil inside there. Then under of your machine, anywhere there is not on your machines, you oil them. Yeah, you oil them. Yeah, so I will be doing just that in this video. So guys, I'm oiling anywhere there is knots under this machine, anywhere there is knots, because the oil makes it to roll smoothly and not have friction, you get. And also guys, let me give you guys a tip on how to maintain your sewing machine, on how to always keep your sewing machine running smooth and healthy, and how to maintain it always. Don't forget, and the tip is always oil your sewing machine. Always oil your sewing machine. If you are the type that makes use of it every single day, please oil it every single day. Maybe after sewing, every time you stop sewing, or make sure to oil your machine, okay, to keep it in a good mood, in a good state. This is how to maintain your sewing machine, to not have friction or to not develop any problem at any time. But if you don't make use of it always, like if you don't sew on it always, just make sure that anytime you sew with it, always oil your sewing machine, your manual sewing machine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like, comment and share my videos. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.